nets around your worm bed or your house plants is easy to stop. Take your little bottle, cut the little top, insert it, go down inside. It's hard to see. Put a couple of pieces of raw onion and some Worcestershire sauce, very small amounts, and look at the nets. They are down there floating. It's a good trap. It works. I keep one on my worm bin continuously, and I got one in the house around my pineapple plants. I had to do something because in my shed, it was so bad there for a while, especially this worm bin. And it's damp and you're putting food in there and they come into it, the nets are. And I have in the corner some mushroom inserted in pots and stuff, and it's damp. And it draws those nets. It pulls them fast. But that little trap right there is worth its weight in gold. Like and subscribe, Pawpaw Sammy.